Cool. Today I'll be talking about the human and cheetah nervous system. To make it easy for you guys, I broke it down into three main parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves themselves. So let's start with the brain. The brain is a major organ that has 15 to 33 billion neurons that control all choices made either for movement, language, thought, creativity, and reason. Number two, the spinal cord. A bundle of nerve tissue in a vertical form that goes down your back, and starts from the top of your brain, from the bottom of your brain, and goes down to your butt. Ridiculous, right? The nerve cells themselves, they're also known as neurons. Their job is to transmit a light electrical pulse, which has a little sort of wording in there that your brain says, okay, move arm, blink, punch Ronan. It controls all that. So, what do these things need to live? Well, for the spinal cord and brain, they need something called glucose. Glucose is a natural form of sugar found in most food. Now, the nerves, they don't really need that much. The only thing they need is a small amount of oxygen. But they also need the skeletal system and the blood system to keep it. The blood system is needed so that they can live, and the skeletal system is needed to protect it. That's why if you injure yourself, you start feeling pain, but you don't damage your nerve cells themselves. So, for the cheetah system, I made the same three parts. So the brain, the ability of controlling its muscles to benefit its hunting is one of the best brains that exists for memory. The spinal cord is one of the most advanced ones that exist in the animal world because it can stretch to almost double its length for its amazing size jumps. And the cheetahs with nerves, they're kind of wacky because where they start is at the front of their brain. Sorry, the front of their head, in front of their brain. I don't know if I'm reading this wrong or what, but this is wrong. It don't make sense. Anyway, so because it's like that, it runs in a different sort of way and developed this sort of adaptation that if the nerves get injured, the blood can heal it. It's something crazy. Now, how are they similar? Well, both brains and spinal cords need glucose, and the nerves also need blood, and we both have excellent muscles, human and cheetah. The differences is that the spinal cord for cheetahs are super extendable and much more better than humans. Also, our nerve system doesn't start at the front of our head. Thank God. My sources: Wikipedia, brainfact.org, healthstuffworks.com, Cura.com, StephanieStriker.weebly.com. Thanks.